Now, this is system test number 49, and I've got a surprise to show all of you in just a minute. So, I haven't done really not anything that much, except two things have changed. And we're gonna start by showing still got the 2099 9756. Over here, still got the key switch. The key switch is not going to be going anywhere. Up here, I still got the Gentex GMS. Over here on NACS 2, I got my Gentex SHG. Now, I was going to put up my newer SHG, but the wires to the back of it, it snapped off the plates, and the horn does not work, but the strobe does. So I just have my first generation SHG. Down here, zone 2. Down here, zone 2, still got the 2099, 9795. And then here's the surprise I'm going to show all of you. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, boom. Yep, that is right. I now finally have a smoke detector. And this thing works great. This is a System Sensor i3. As you can see, it's with the green LED blinking. That the power means that the system's connected to power. Yeah, this is a nice little device. I was very happy when this came in today. It's real easy to wire up. It just wires just like a pull station. And I have it connected to zone 2. So yeah. It's actually looking like a real system now. So, the alarms, they'll be doing code 3 by the System Sensor Sync module. And we're going to start. Let's start by pulling the single action first. I'm going to grab my keys real quick. And here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Right. Now we're going to activate the 2099 9756. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is actually quite loud, I have to admit. I mean, a mechanical horn versus an electronic horn. That brings the loudness out of it. Alright. Next up, we're going to be activating the key switch. And then I'm going to put the system on continuous and finish it off with the smoke detector. So, it's time to do the key switch. Alright, here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Alright, and before we end the video, I'm going to put the system on continuous. And we're going to finish it off by activating the smoke detector. So, I'll be right back. Alright, now the system is on continuous. And again, I don't know why, but when I have this jumper out of the sync module, the alarms do continuous, but they also skip every second. So, I do apologize for that. But this time we will not need the keys. Instead, we're going to be using this little thing to activate the smoke detector. And I'm going to do this quick because these alarms are extremely loud. Alright, here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. By the way, you just insert it into this little this thing here with the silver plate, and that'll activate it. So, here we go. Oh my God. That was very, very loud. My ears are ringing now. Alright, well, this is going to be it for System Test 49, everybody. I hope you enjoy it. Remember to always check out my other fire alarm videos, and I will see you next time. By the way, I forgot to mention, Happy Fire Alarm Friday. Peace out, everybody.